In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list items on eBay with different sizes. Whether you're selling clothes, shoes, or any other multi-size product, understanding how to list these variations is crucial for maximizing your sales. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to ebay.com. This will be our starting point. If you haven't already, make sure to log into your account. Having an account is essential for listing any product on eBay. Once you're logged in, keep an eye on the top of the page for the Sell button. Go ahead and click it. This will take you to the main selling dashboard, which is your gateway to creating new listings. From the dashboard, navigate to the Listing tab. Here you'll find a variety of options. We're interested in starting something new, so click on Create Listing. This is where the magic happens. You'll be prompted to enter details about the item you're selling, so begin by typing in the name or a brief description of your item in the search bar. For example, if you're selling baseball shirts for men, type that in and then click on Search. eBay will show you existing listings that might be similar to yours. This is helpful for setting a competitive price and understanding how others are categorizing similar items. Continuing with the process, you'll need to select the condition of the item you're selling. Whether it's new with tags, used, or another condition, make sure it accurately reflects the product. After choosing the condition, click on Continue. This will move you further into the listing setup. Scroll down to the pricing section. Here you'll want to select Buy It Now under the Format options. This allows potential buyers to purchase immediately at a fixed price, which is ideal if you're offering different sizes of an item consistently. Now let's tackle the part about sizes. Scroll up to the Variations section and click on Edit. This is where you will manage the different sizes for your item. You'll see an option to add something new. Click that. Check the box next to Size Type and make sure any other irrelevant options are unchecked, then hit Save. This step ensures that size variations are the focus of your listing. Now choose the sizes available for your product. Once you've selected all applicable sizes, click on Continue. Each size might have a different stock level or price, so it's important to establish those next. Be sure to set the quantity for each size as well as the respective price. Double check this information because it's critical to your sales' smooth operation. Finally, once you're satisfied with all the details, click on Save and Close. This will finalize your listing and make it available for buyers to find and purchase on eBay. And that's it. Listing items with different sizes on eBay is as simple as following these steps. With everything set, your listing is ready to go live. Happy selling!